All right, guys, now this car is Violet. I know the name does not suit it right now, but the plan for this car is for it to be painted plum crazy purple in the near future. This is going to be the car we restore after the Mach 1. You will see it on the channel some before that, though, because I do want to get the car drivable. I have done some work to it already. You can obviously tell, brand new rims and tires. I've redid the front brakes with new rotors, calipers, wheel bearings, brake lines, all of that. I've rebuilt the rear brake drums on it already with new drums, new hardware, new shoes, all of that. So I do need to still bleed the brakes, adjust the rears in a little bit better. Interior of the car is the factory black and white, which honestly I'm not a fan of the white in these cars. Especially with it going to be purple. So this car will be changed over to black interior. All the weather strips are missing out of the car. We do have some bad body filler work on the top. We have some chip and paint here on the side. All in all, I mean, the car is in need of restoration, but it is a very solid car. It's only 56,000 actual miles. Car came out of California, so I do have very little rust on this. I do have a new grille already in a box inside, and I have new side marker lights already. So that's going to be things that you're going to see being done on the channel little by little, just getting it to where, you know, I can clean it up and just kind of drive it with its ugly paint and all of that until I have a chance to restore it. You can see we do have some rust here along the back window. That is the worst rust spots on the car. I'll try to get a good view of that. Well, actually, and this is the worst rust spot on the car, which I have already ordered a new quarter panel to put in, just the lower quarter. So I'll be doing that, getting that rust fixed up. I do need to work on the rear lights and all of that to get those working. I'm going to open the door here and show you a little more of the inside. Car's very dirty. Haven't even cleaned it yet. A bunch of paperwork inside. Seats are nasty. Dash pad does have a small crack. It's missing some things like the glove compartment. Box is gone, stereo's gone, things like that. So, you know, again, it's going to be a slight working project as we get it drivable to just kind of cruise it around on the weekends a little bit while we're getting the Mach 1 restored. This one is a factory 318 automatic car, so it's nothing extremely rare or special. It does have a little damage here on the inner fender, so we'll be taking care of that. We'll be obviously stripping all of this down, pulling the engine, repainting it. I have done a complete tune-up on the car already. You can tell, new distributor cap, rotor buttons, spark plug wires. Seems to be running pretty smooth right now. Kick down cable, you can tell, is broken. I've got a new one in there for it. Also, the timing needs to be adjusted on the car. The distributor, when I bought the car, was not tight, so kind of timed it by ear for now. But yeah, pretty solid car, and you'll be seeing it around on the channel, and hopefully we'll have this one drivable and you'll see it out and about some.